Let's do question 2 now. Somewhat similar to the previous 3 questions that we did. बस ये है कि वो 3 question में after so many years they are changing the policy, they are giving you some offers, they are reducing the rate, changing the periodicity, the company is doing all this. But over here what is happening is, in this question, after so many installments the company is giving you some offer. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे we are not going to work basis years, the number of years, period के हिसाब से नहीं काम करेंगे, हम installment number के हिसाब से काम करेंगे. ठीक है, this is the question. Let's read the question. Y Limited took a loan of rupees 40 lakhs. Y Limited is a company that is borrowing a loan from a financial company. The amount of the loan is 40 lakhs for setting up a business from ABN Bank for 12 years. The period is 12 at 15% per annum. The annual rate of interest is 15% to be repaid in equal monthly installments. The periodicity is monthly. So let's calculate the periodicity value using VLOOKUP. You have to look up for monthly. The table is, where do you have to look up? You will have to look up here. Second column, exact match, right? Monthly means 12 installments. ठीक है? When the company paid its 45th installment, the bank reduced the rate to 14% per annum. ठीक है? पहले टोटल कितना इंस्टॉलमेंट्स ये देखते हैं. पीरियड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पीरियोडिसिटी. ठीक है, टोटल 144 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स है. ठीक है, जब 45th इंस्टॉलमेंट पे किया कंपनी ने, उन्होंने पॉलिसी चेंज कर लिया. ठीक है, तो कितनी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स बचा है? 144 माइनस 45, 99 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स आर लेफ्ट. ठीक है, 99 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स मीन्स हाउ मेनी ईयर्स आर लेफ्ट? 99 divided by 12, 8.25 years are left, right? So let's see. आगे क्या है? When the company paid 45th installment, the bank reduced the rate to 14%. So the new rate is 14%, which is mentioned here, and the periodicity to quarterly. ठीक है? Prepare a loan repayment schedule showing the payments. Generalize the sheet to incorporate any changes in year, amount, rate or periodicity. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट लोन रीपेमेंट स्केड्यूल कैलकुलेट करेंगे फॉर 45 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स. यहाँ पे देखो, व्हेन द कंपनी पेड 45th इंस्टॉलमेंट, मतलब 45 तक यही कंडीशंस चलेगा. 46th से द न्यू कंडीशंस विल चेंज, राइट? द न्यू कंडीशंस विल बी यूज्ड. सो द पीरियड इज 1. माय पीरियोडिसिटी, सॉरी, माय फॉर्मूला विल बी इफ, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे इफ कंडीशन लगाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको पता है कि 45 इंस्टॉलमेंट तक ही ये चलेगा. तो लेट्स डायरेक्टली राइट इक्वल टू दिस प्लस 1 एंड लेट्स ड्रैग इट अप टू 45. ठीक है, 45 ends here, I think. Yes, my opening balance is this amount of loan, 40 lakhs, right? What is my interest? My opening balance multiplied by the rate, which is 15%, I fix it, divided by the periodicity, which is 12 because it is monthly. I drag this down till 45, Control D. My installment payment function rate is 15%. I fix it, divided by periodicity 12, right? My NPR is 144. My PV is minus 40 lakhs. Fix it, enter. I drag it down till 45. My closing balance is opening plus interest minus installment. I drag this down again, right? My opening balance for the second installment is closing balance of first. I drag that down to 45, right? अब ये जो लास्ट वैल्यू है 45th इंस्टॉलमेंट की जो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है इतना अमाउंट हमको और पे करने, ठीक है? कितने साल में और पे करने? 8.25. वाई? बिकॉज टोटल 144 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स, उसमें से हमने 45 पे कर लिया है, 99 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स लेफ्ट. सिंस वी हैव टू यूज पीरियड इन ईयर्स, we divided by 12 and we got 8.25. ठीक है? I'll repeat. पहले हमारा पीरियड 12 ईयर्स था, मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट्स थी, तो 12 12 आर 144. 144 इंस्टॉलमेंट हमको टोटल चाहिए टू वाइंड अप दिस 40 lakhs के लोन. However, once you paid the 45th installment, the company changed its policy. It changed its rate from 15 to 14%. अब कितनी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स बचे हुई हैं? 144 minus 45 which is 99. जब हम पीरियड को फॉर्मूला में यूज़ करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ ईयर्स यूज़ करते हैं, इसीलिए we divide this 99 by 12 and we got 8.25. It is here also 144 minus 45 divided by 12. ठीक है? And this is going to be in quarterly installment payment. So let's find out the value of this, right? Comma, this table, second column, false. I got 4. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे कितनी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स होगा? 8.25 multiplied by 4. Right? But 33 installments में the loan will wind up. So let's find out. So first installment 1 होगा, second installment is if previous installment is less than 33. I fix this. Then you add 1. Otherwise you just leave space. ठीक है? I drag this down and I get 33 installments. Right? What will be my opening balance? My opening balance will be the closing balance of the previous installment. ठीक है? Got it here? My interest due is opening balance multiplied by the new rate of interest, which is 14%. I fix it, divided by quarterly is bar, so divided by this. I just drag it down till 33rd. What will be my installment amount? Payment of this value, rate is 14%. I fix it, divided by periodicity, comma, the number of installments is this. I fix it again, minus my opening balance amount. I fix this to close, right? Drag it down. Closing balance. Closing balance is opening plus interest minus installment. ठीक है? इसको ड्रैग करेंगे till 33 and my opening balance for the second installment is closing balance of the first. Let's see if we get this right. We got. My indicator, the last value is 0, which means my solution is right and my loan is wound up. ठीक है? मैंने सारे payments कर लिया है. ठीक है? So it is very similar to the first 3 problems that we did. बस इसमें फ़र्क ये है कि हम years में changes नहीं कर रहे हैं, installment में changes कर रहे हैं and also the periodicity, right? So that's it with fourth question. I don't think there is, second question. I don't think there is anything much difficult here. ठीक है? We'll do the fifth question now. Question 5 is very, very easy, very simple. Why Limited, I'll read the question now. Why Limited took a loan of 40 lakhs for setting up a business from Axis Bank for 10 years at 15% per annum to be repaid in equal monthly installments. So we have monthly installments. The amount of the loan is 40 lakhs. The period, the year to complete the loan amount is 10. And the question is prepare a loan repayment schedule showing payments. Use IPMT and PPMT functions to calculate interest and principal amount paid in each installment. तो हर installment के लिए IPMT और PPMT calculate करना है. Generalize the sheet to incorporate any changes in year, amount, rate or periodicity. ठीक है? So nothing new, everything is the same. You just have to calculate IPMT and PPMT, interest and principal for every installment, right? So my periodicity is monthly. So let's find out what is the value of the periodicity. Look up for monthly in this table. Column 2, match is exact. Enter. Okay. My number of installments is period multiplied by periodicity, which is 120. Okay. So यहाँ पे first होगा. Second installment के लिए if this is less than the total number of installments and I'm fixing it, then what you do, you add 1 and go to the next, otherwise just leave a space. I drag this till 120. Okay? It's a long way to drag. Right? Next, opening balance is my amount of loan B2, 40 lakhs. Interest is opening balance multiplied by 15% is the rate divided by periodicity. Okay? Installment amount is payment function rate 15%, I fix it, divide by periodicity, comma, NPR, which is 120, period multiplied by periodicity. Present value is minus of this amount of loan. I fix it again, close. My closing balance is opening balance plus interest minus installment. IPMT is IPMT function rate 15% divided by periodicity because it is annual rate. Per is the installment number, which is here. I do not fix it because when I drag it down, it has to move to the next row. NPR is 120. I fix this. Present value is this. Right? Close bracket. Enter. Present value should be in negative. And I fix the present value also. Okay? PPMT rate 15%. I fix this, divide by periodicity. I fix this too, comma. This is the installment number. I don't fix it. My NPR number of installments and my present value minus of P2. Okay? My opening balance for the second one is closing balance of the first. Now I just do the dragging thing. I'll pause it and then I'll drag and then show you the result. So I've dragged it down and I'm actually done with the problem. So if you could see the last value, 1/20th installment पे closing balance 0 होना चाहिए. Let's see if it is 0. See, this is my indicator that says my problem, the solution is right. Okay, my closing balance, the last installment is 0 means I've made all my payments. And if you could see, the interest is also being reduced. For every installment, interest कम होते जाते हैं. तभी तो हमारा लोन पूरा होता है, राइट? So this is the last problem of loan and lease accounting. So we didn't do much over here. The objective was to prepare a repayment schedule, loan repayment schedule. उसमें हमारा objective था to find out the opening balance, interest, installment and closing balance, right? We did it through data validation to create a generalized loan repayment schedule. Also कभी कभी हमने if और count function साथ में use किया था just to make sure that my installments are numeric values. यहाँ पे columns में numeric values हैं and not anything else. ठीक है? So for the questions 1 to 5, I did not use if and count function. It is for you to use it by yourself. I do not want to waste time on that. If you have any doubts in loan and lease, please reach out to me. And I finished with loan and lease. You can just complete the worksheets and mail it to me.